Hi everybody, Sean O'Kane here with ChipEstimate TV. We're here at DesignCon 2015. We're in the Keysight booth. My guest today is Doru Popescu. He's the market segment manager with Keysight. Now, I want to just start off right off the top. What an incredible event, the welcome reception at Levi Stadium last night. That's where the 49ers play. Hundreds and hundreds of people, and just a great event. Anyway.
Thank you, Sean. It was really exciting. We got a lot more folks coming than we expected, but I tell you, last night everybody was a Keysight fan and a San Francisco 49er fan. So it was a great event. We couldn't be any more excited about it.
Yeah, well, we talked a little bit before about you being part of this company for over 20 years.
Just about.
I know, and the legacy that you have with HP and Agilent. You spun off from Agilent recently, and maybe talk a little bit about that. And it's the 20th anniversary of DesignCon. It's all locking in there. Doru.
I haven't even thought of that. That's right. 20 is a magic number, but. Really, as we sit here in the Santa Clara Convention Center at the booth at DesignCon 2015, it was actually not too far away, a few miles down the road in Palo Alto, where Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard started HP in 1939. Fast forward a few decades, HP becomes the largest computer company in the world. The T&M business spins off as Agilent. And then last year in November, Agilent spins off the electronic measurement part of its business as Keysight. So here we are, back to our roots, if you will, 100% focused on electronic measurement. Now, not too many people know this, but we say 20th anniversary of DesignCon this year. Well, let's take a closer look at this. It actually started back around 1989 with HP holding a symposium down the road at the Santa Clara office with maybe about 10 paper presentations, all focused on high-speed digital design, signal integrity, power integrity. The following few years turned into a roadshow across the US, Europe, Japan. And then in 1995, which is 20 years ago, it came back to its home base, and at the Marriott Santa Clara, literally down the road from here, we held the first Design SuperCon, as it was called at the same time. A year later, it got so busy, we brought it into the convention center, 96, and 2 years later, we renamed it to what is known today as DesignCon.
Yeah, and you've been a part of that since, ever since.
Really exciting journey.
Absolutely.
So as we changed our name a couple of times, one thing that has not changed is our continued sponsorship of the event as a host sponsor and commitment to the design community.
Right. So what sets Keysight apart to have the biggest impact in this industry?
Well, as we reinvent ourselves as Keysight, and once again building on our roots and trying to take that legacy forward to new levels of success, we're bringing the legacy of building top-notch, high-performance instrumentation to the ever so fast evolving world of design. What we're augmenting that with as we're going forward, we're augmenting it with increased software content and software application, and probably even more important, with people expertise. At DesignCon, people come here and they take the time to spend 4 days here or 2 or 3 days because they like to have expert-to-expert contact. So hardware and software and people, that's what we believe is our secret recipe. Not so secret, actually, but that's what we think is going to set us apart, is going to take us forward as a successful company.
Isn't it interesting? It always comes back to the relationships and the technology, of course, but make those two together very important. Doru, thank you so much for joining me today.
My pleasure, Sean. Thank you for having me.
All right, for Doru Popescu, my name is Sean O'Kane. We'll see you next time on ChipEstimate TV.